At American Woodworking Academy, students come from all over the country to study for a career in woodworking by developing new skills through hands-on training. Chris Fuchs of American Woodworking Academy tells us about their programs.
At the Academy, we have a wide variety from your basic fundamental type classes, small tables, cabinets. We cover steam bending, your hand-cut joints, all the way up to the highest modern techniques. We revert back to all the hand planes, chisel works, so you're incorporating the hand work with the modern technology.
American Woodworking Academy uses a step-by-step process to teach the fundamentals of woodworking. Students start with small projects to build their knowledge and confidence and gradually move on to more complex projects.
There's a lot of one-on-one. We have small classes. It's maximum 8 students per class, so you get a lot of instructor-student communication.
The instructors are past graduates of the Master Woodworker program and are members of the St. Louis Woodworker Guild and Woodturners of America. Most of them have been in woodworking for over 25 years and are now ready to pass their expertise on to a new generation.
People have different needs, whether they're coming right out of high school, they're a white-collar worker that maybe an oil plant has laid off, or maybe it's a GI veteran, someone setting up for going in business for themselves. You have people getting ready for retirement, so they're looking for a career change.
American Woodworking Academy offers a 22-week or 44-week Master Woodworking program to prepare you for a new career.
At American Woodworking Academy, we can teach you the skills and technique to become a master woodworker, and that's what the industry is looking for.
Contact American Woodworking Academy at 636